I can't leave the store, guys, without checking out their craft section. So let's take a look. Maybe we'll see something new. So I don't know. There's something down here next to the craft section called Wonderloom, and that's $12.88. I guess you can make bracelets and stuff with it. And then right next to that, you have these 40 sheets in this size of the foam. 40 sheets. That's a lot. So that's $5.72. Then you have the smaller ones here for, guys, these are 32 sheet pack and they're $1.72. I believe you can get these for $1 at Dollar Tree, guys. Then you have a variety melty beads. Okay, so these are $9.97. So then you have the loose foam sheets, the 9 by 12. Those are 47 cents each. Then here you have in the round pack the letters, the alphabet bead mix, $9.68. And here are the assorted plastic beads, $5.28. And here's the translucent pony beads, and they come in this round container, guys, $5.28. And here's the regular multicolor rainbow pony beads, $5.28. So then here they have the Wonderloom mega bucket of bands. So they come in all those colors, guys, $9.97. And here they have the friendship thread value pack, and these are $9.97. So then they have, okay, these look like metal rings over here. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, assorted findings. These look like little jump rings. Okay, so this assortment here, it's an 80 pack for $3.97, and here it is in the multicolor. Then you have the Wonderloom rubber bands. Okay, I'm not sure if it says a count here. 600. Wow, you get 600 in that pack for $2.97. Then you have the large neon alphabet beads. I like the size beads, guys. Those are $2.97. Then you have this rope, this parachute cord. It's like a rainbow color, $1.97. Then you have the this pack size, or this size of the pony beads for $1.97. And like I said before, look at this, the jumbo alphabet beads. I like that size, $3.97. So here is the neon color feathers, $1.97. And then here you have the metallic silver and gold. I got to think of a craft to make with those, guys. I like that. $3.74. Then you have these in the multicolor feathers. I think this is my first time seeing these. Those are $2.47. Then the all white feathers, which these are my favorite too. Those are $1.97. Then you have the foam star stickers, $2.43. And these are the smaller of the alphabet beads, $3.97. And these come in multicolor, guys. The alphabet beads in multicolor, $3.97. Okay, so here's the multi-pack, and here's the braiding cord, $2.97. And then you have the mega pack of the friendship thread. That's $6.36. And then here you have like the whole kit. The ultimate pack craft lace. Okay, and that's what that looks like, guys. That's $9.97. Here's some more friendship thread. And the top there and here, $4.36. Then these, guys, those look metallic. Those are $3.36. And then these parachute cords in the royal blue and that red is $1.97. Then you have the white pony beads for $1.97, and here they are in red. Then you have the pearls for $3.97, and there's the pack of the wooden beads for $3.97. Then you have the glitter foam stickers. Okay, these are $2.43. I'm sorry, guys, I'm on my tippy toes. And here's the glitter foam letters, guys, $2.43. And then here's the alphabet foam stickers for $2.43. And then here's the heart ones. Here's some more stars, and here's a pack of the buttons, guys, for $4.86. Okay, so if we move on over, guys, look at the size of these. These are really nice size. This is really nice. It's a 12 pack and I'm not sure, I'm not seeing a label for that, but that's a huge size. I never seen that before. Then you have the single of the felts, and those are 28 cents each. And I'm loving these gemstones here. Look at the rainbow color ones, and here's the huge googly eyes, guys. So they have the gem stickers here, the iridescent ones. These are the smaller ones, and then these are the slightly bigger ones. I haven't seen the jumbo ones in a while, guys. I'm looking for those. So here you have the ultimate rainbow fuzzy kit, $4.97, and then that one is $4.97. Then if you get the pom-poms in separate colors, those are 97 cents. And here are the jingle bells, $2.97. There you have the googly eyes in the multicolor, and they're the huge ones for $2.77. Then they have them in all sizes. Then here you have the pom-poms. Those are $2.47, guys. Guys, let me see. So I was looking for this size gemstone, but with the clear. So I might have to go to Hobby Lobby for it. But here, this, I think the label's kind of ripped, is 12 something. Then this one here, if you could see that, these are neon gemstones. These are $11.47. And what are these called? In my treasure box, bling bucket. Size glitter, guys, $7.46. I think that's an okay, but I think that's a good buy. Look how big this is. It's a pretty big size. So $7.46. I'm sure that'll last me a long time. But here's the smaller bottles over here, and that's $2.82. And look at this one. I don't think I ever seen this one. I'm loving this one. And then they have these. Like I'm really liking that the holographic gold glitter. And what are these? This is new. Top dazzling glitter. I don't know. That's $2.43. That's interesting to me. I would like to try that. I have these tall Elmer's glue in the white, $4.84. And then the clear one seems to be more expensive, and it's washable. That's $6.58. Okay, then over here you have this embellishments, slimy glue. Over here you have the glitter glue for 97 cents. Then here you have your shaker bottles. Well, wait a minute, this is a big pack, guys, of all these colors. So these, I think they're 12, $7.46. So let's see what else they have up here, guys. All right, so we know the glue sticks are $2.72. That's a 3-pack, and here's a huge one here for $3.56. This one, and here is the clear one, $5.17 for this pack. Then you have these, guys, Spangle Mix. So I don't know exactly what's in there. It's a mixture of all different kinds of sequins, $3.38. That's interesting, though. Then here the metallic glue, glitter glue. Okay, and here they have the gemstone, guys. This is what I'm saying. The rainbow gemstones are $3.24, and there's the sequins, silver sequins, assorted gems in different sizes and shapes for $3.47. Then you have your shaker bottles of the glitter, the long ones. Those are 97 cents. Then you have the chunkier one right there. I like the chunky one, 97 cents. Then here's your water beads for $2.16, and then $3.38 for those water beads. Then instant snow is $3.97. Then you have some more modeling clay here for $3.97. Here's your magnetic buttons for $1.97. Guys, I think you can get that size right there at Dollar Tree. Here's some more modeling clay. Here's the extra large magnets. Now I know Dollar Tree doesn't carry these, so these are $2.47. And then look at these packs. This is 52 buttons, that tiny. So I guess you got to compare prices, guys. And then those are $3.54, $4.44, and $5.97. So these glitter shakers are real cute. So even if you pay like $1 each for each one, which you never do at Dollar Tree, you get 6. I think that's okay. That's an okay buy, guys. And then here you have your packs of the different kinds of glitter in the pack. 14 packs, that's $3.54. And this one here That's foil confetti. That's $2.43. Then if we come down here, you have your glitter glues in that size bottle for $4.28. And then you have these glitter glues, guys. I like these glitter glues. These are $1.62, but look at the size of them. Modeling clay. Then here you have the jumbo craft sticks for $4.97 and some construction paper for $4.97. Then here you have your color pencils, $2.97. You have the wooden these are 97 cents, guys. So these are probably cheaper than Dollar Tree. Look at that. Here's supposed to be like a school bus. That's an airplane. Here's a car. Those are 97 cents. Then you have this cross is sitting here. It says $2.24. Then you have your wooden dowels. Now here's your little color. I like these, guys. You can't beat that for 62 cents. And they're already colored in for you. You can just go ahead and use them. So this is the cupcake, the butterfly, the owl. Here's the turtle. There's the unicorn. And there's the fish back there. The football, the elephant. Here's the giraffe. Here's the sun. And here's the lion. Then you have the different size dowels. This size dowel, guys, I'm going to say that this size dowel is a 16 pack for $1.27. So yeah, I guess that's comparable. And then this one here is a little tiny. Do you see how thin they are? So you get 50 of them for $1.27. These are $1.27 also, and then these are the ready colored ones for $1.27. So then you get the slightly bigger ones, and I think these are all the same size. $1.97. Then you have the bigger wooden dowels. I like this size. Then you have these. And I'm loving their super jumbo craft sticks. I know they have them even bigger. They're called giant. So that's $2.97, and they're the regular ones. These right here are 97 cents, and the jumbo ones up there are $2.97. And you get into your little foam for arrangements, and those are poster boards. Then they have the heavy duty poster boards for $5.97. Okay, then you have your fabric paint over here, your poofy paints, and here are your markers, guys. Okay, and this is all the stuff that you can use your poofy paint with, or your permanent fabric paint on your t-shirts and even canvas banners. So I'm just going to scan that for you guys. Some of them are $1.77, some of them are $1.97. This Gorilla Glue right here is $4.78, and this one too, and the clear one is $5.90. I'm sorry, the clear one is $5.97. The one with color is less money. It's $4.78. Then you have your glue gun high temp, $8.97, and here you have your glue sticks, guys. There you have your Mod Podge. Okay, there you have your tape, some fine glitter for $2.97, and here is the glue that I've been using lately, and I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking that glue. Then you have some markers, and this is all we have today in the craft section, guys. Here's you have your spray Gorilla adhesive glue, and here's the Scotch, and here's the Loctite, guys. Here are your paints, if I didn't show those to you before. They're just starting to stock up on all this stuff now. Thank you guys for coming with me to Walmart to check out their craft section, and I will see you guys in another video.